What's up, guys? Let's be making some delicious mushroom salad. So I found some straw mushrooms and I'm gonna use those, two of the cans. So when you need vinegar, salt, some grapeseed oil or any oil, garlic, parsley, and onions. So I open the cans and I'm just gonna drain and kind of remove the liquid and just wash them a little bit. So refreshing it. Slice thinly the onion, garlic, and your parsley. Pretty much gonna combine everything together. Put it in here, add in the oil, the vinegar, the salt, and let's mix to combine. And this salad is delicious. We use a bunch of garlic. I know I have just one in the video, but we use like maybe 4 or 5. We just love it. The more garlic, the more flavor. So yeah, enjoy. I hope you guys like it. It's just to fancy up the plain old canned mushrooms. And it turns into a fancy salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe to get more great videos.